so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Walking barefoot on the sand. Waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright. Singing songs beneath the moon tonight. No chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way. With the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Yeah, yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Me hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me channel Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Whoa. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore, love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rising, Jah sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion, rise. Let your fire light up the sky. Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, na, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a the struggle me find me peace. In a the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, na na. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in this sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Jah. A battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love we change the life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away. Till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. Forever rebel of love. Inna the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry on. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire. From Trenchtown to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand. Love rebuild, broken land. Rebel of love, Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still there on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, your light never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clear in a Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root are the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man live, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing their song. Roots man heart forever strong.
Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Roots man still drum. Roots man vibration, just still tell. Roots man diamond. Roots man vibration, roots man diamond. Feel it in the ground. Africa mama, roots man vibration. Feel your call. One world, one love for all that can. One world, one love for all that can.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Jah light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drum still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat.
every dreadlock man, every Rasta child. Carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? No green, no food inside. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drum still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit left, it will never decay.
Sirens in the street again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender. We won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. While the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat, I raise my voice like a soldier's drum. 'Cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. Justice on the front line. Yeah. Oh, now. Oh, now. Yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jaja bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. March strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in the night sky. Whoa, like stars in the night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing to hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Your light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold on a free soul life. Africa calling back we to the roots, so right. Rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we are. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. To rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Rise up.
Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise pon the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep trying on. Abarigani, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Oh yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey, rise up, my people.
Oh yeah,
Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari. Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. wash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal me. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal me. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving how the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love calls, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Early morning, sun arise pan the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough but me will. Hear the drum beat from the distance, Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure but we no retreat, cause iron heart still a beat. Mama said child keep love inside, even when they push you to the darkest side. Hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide. Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenchtown to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in a every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read psalms on the tree. Speak truth but love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flowing, you and me.
Hey, Mama Africa.
We hear you calling, ya.
Oh, Jah, Jah.
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
Rise up, warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket celebration in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me are walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but me spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance pan we so no fear in a crowd. From trance down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we stronger. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't
fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Island of peace, set me free. Oh, where my heart's meant to be. Ay, 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 ay. Hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no aid. voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no goal to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Let the drum beat carry you away, let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Cold hearts too can be warm. Hearts too can be warm. Keep the fire burning. Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart, yeah. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you. back to Zion. Oh, run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn. Run to the light. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikem Kono. Lead me through the fire, man, lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. I will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn. Run to the light.
Mama Earth crying, drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain, but Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no border, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hands. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down.
Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, mama don't fail. Give her love like a newborn lady. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. Choo-choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach me if you follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come, fill light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim. I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, and every man, woman and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom.
Right on, right on. Freedom train is rolling. Take the children home. No one left in the streets alone. From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo, ride on, ride on. Freedom come. No more chain. Ride the train, the freedom train. Mama Africa twese, we coming home. From Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo. Yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns. Then they broke us, tore us down, but roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase your master plan. Drums of freedom call our name, through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain,
No change.
can't stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are one.
one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy bag. For Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Ofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper,
Jah is here.
from diaspora, tears we climb, turning sorrow into old.
Freedom.
Mama land, we coming home,
I'm on love.
away to,
Jah guide us here.
we never alone.
Never alone.
Africa we rise again, through the fire, through the pain.
No change.
Can't stop this rain, blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are
one forevermore.
Africa, Africa.
Rise again, Jah is the drum in every vein.
Africa, we rise again. One arm, one drum, one chain, one destiny.
Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity.
Africa, we rise again. One heart, one drum, one chain, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity.
Rastafari. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown, but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border, but love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, oh brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no change again. Let the fire is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. They can steal gold, they can steal the crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana's shore, your blood remembers what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Oh, oh, ah. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I want to hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. In your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every From Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family, near and far.
Simunye.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining in all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world, unity. One world, one heartbeat. Rise again. Love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
We feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.